Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Cloud project with billing, AutoML API enabled, and a service account with proper roles. Once done, prepare your dataset, label examples consistently, and split roughly 70/30 for training versus validation. Next, install and authenticate G-Cloud on your machine, then upload data to a cloud storage bucket. Make sure to set dataset metadata in the AutoML console or via API, because that tells the system how to parse labels and features for training. Create a new dataset in AutoML and import your prepared files from cloud storage or BigQuery. AutoML will validate schema and labels. Then choose the model type appropriate for your task and set a training budget. More hours generally improve accuracy but cost more. During training, monitor logs, loss curves, and evaluation metrics. Make adjustments like changing augmentation, feature preprocessing, or budget. If results lag, iterate on data quality, increase labeled examples, or adjust model settings to reduce overfitting. After evaluation, deploy the best-performing model to an endpoint for online or schedule batch predictions. Test end-to-end with representative inputs. Once deployed, monitor latency, error rates, and shifts in input distribution, because real-world data often diverges from training data. If performance degrades, collect new labeled examples, retrain the model, or recalibrate thresholds. Sometimes simple label fixes or feature normalization resolves issues. Finally, revoke unused service keys and automate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.